Yoski, what's up everybody, man? Y'all know who I be. It's your man Pooh, CYGG, man. I'm back with another reaction video, and today I'm about to be reacting to this Lil TJ Calling My Phone game parody. Y'all, I had somebody want me to react to this, and I've been having people send different gay hip hop songs to react to, and I was like, no, I haven't react to this one. This was it's by D Maintain. Anyways, I guess he maintains the D. I don't know. Anyways, man, link to the original video will be in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button if you want to be notified whenever I'm making a gaming video, reaction video, rant video, any type of video. And with that being said, let's jump into this video, man. The fact that he got blush on Lil TJ's cheeks with the kissy face emoji.
Daddy fucking my hoe. He done told me before to come over. Fuck my bro. No, it's hurt and it's in my hole.
That's how y'all starting it off? Okay.
Come, he gon' bust his load. He just slapped my ass. He fucked me, then I blowed that. Nah.
Oh, hell no. What was that? 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 I don't, bro, wait, what? Whoa. I would say you had me and then you lost me. You never had me from the beginning when you came in with a verse like that.
Blow that, nah. Can't get you off of my mind, daddy. Fuck me.
No. Bro, look here. You got about 2 more times to do that sick moaning and auto-tune. Y'all know how I am about the moan and stuff and the cheeks clapping and all that. Y'all know I'm not the type to like that.
I ain't tryna fuck these girls no more. I don't wanna be fucking this pussy no more. I'm just tryna feel this pain in my hole. And I'm horny cause his penis just made me his whore. Used to be his homie, he ain't gay no more. I just saw my homie and he came some more. Traumatized penis in the rain some more. You done put me through some anal and it hurt my aura. Now all around my booty you explored no Dora. New dig, he said suck.
Wow. All around his butt he explored no Dora. That was lyrically impressive. I can say that. Sick, yes. Impressive, somewhat. Gotta give props what props is due. Go. Just go.
Get like Shora, ass fat taking his cock in Florida. Bad and I know he slappy, he applauded my cream. Yeah, I'm taking his goo, so please take his dick and he shoots. And it's all cause of you, daddy. I've been told him I'll suck you. Daddy fucking my hole. He done told me before to come over. Fuck my bro. No, it's hurt, it's in my hole. His cum, he gon' bust his load. He just slapped my ass.
Well, I just feel like this is a sus serenade. It just feels like he's trying to be so romantic about it. And I think that's the disturbing part about it. Like, usually I listen to ones that's like lyrically aggressive. This one is like he's trying to be so subtly aggressive and romantic with it at the same time. And it just, I guess that's what's bumming me out. Like, I don't know. I do not...
He fucked me, then I blow that, nah.
Did he just turn into a dog? Or a moose? Is he a gay moose? He just... What was that?
Hard cock.
boy really just did achieve it. He trying to make it rain the wrong way on the tribe. What tribe is he from? Is he from the blowback tribe? I don't know. He's throwing the wrong tomahawk. And maybe they don't even throw tomahawks. Maybe they throw ass in that tribe. I don't know. You know what? Go. Let's go.
I ain't tryna fuck these girls, his cock. He's one of a kind, he's gay, his cock. Earthquake, booty, and shake on his cock. Most of them try to be straight, his cock.
Okay.
Used to be gay, oh boy, you're not straight. Shaking his cum and now you got shame. Came on my thighs, then he came on my face. 8-inch, he love it when I scream. I'm just trying to suck your dick some more. Please just choke.
How much time left? It is 2 minutes, 28 seconds. Y'all usually get mad at me when I don't finish these. Go. Let's try to finish it.
My neck some more. Taking his thing, can I take some more? Waiting for his cock, I can't wait no more. Yeah, I remember days when I used to deep throw him. Sexy when he flipped me, when he fucked me like a quarter. Taking his thing, then I tell him to go harder. His cock swing, then I came and I swallowed. Daddy fucking my hole. He done told me before to come over. Fuck my bro. No, it's hurting, it's in my hole. His cum, he gon' bust his load. He just slapped my ass. He fucked me, then I blow that, nah.
Thank you. He didn't moan this time. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, bro. That beat goes so hard, but the fact that that song was over it, why do you do that to that beat? Why you do that to that? Anyways, man, let me know what else you guys want me to react to, man. Till next time, it's your man Pooh, CYGG, and I'm out.